Hey, Prof Ted, what are the 3 hardest topic areas on the CFA Level 2 exam? That's a great question, Ted AR. According to the most recent CFA Institute candidate survey, the 3 most difficult areas on the exam for Level 2 was financial reporting and analysis, derivatives, and portfolio management.
Thanks, Prof. Ted.
The Prof Ted and Wiley self-study course for CFA Level 2 includes the ebook study guide covering every learning outcome statement, over 1,500 plus exam-style practice questions, 2 full-length mock exams, the video lectures by expert instructors like Peter Alinto, course outlines, exam planner, personalized study schedule, 30 to 45-minute bite-sized lessons, dashboard and performance metrics, formula sheets, and the Wiley mobile app. You can see a customer reference there. I used the competitor for Level 2 and failed twice. I decided to switch to Wiley and ended up finishing above the 90th percentile for Level 2 and Level 3 in back-to-back years. It was an incredible transition. This special offering is available for $295 US. The normal retail price is $595 US without the videos, but we've reduced access to 1 year for the special pricing. Thank you and have a great day.